Good morning children, welcome to mathematics class. Yesterday we have discussed on the addition horizontally, subtraction horizontally, addition vertically, and today we will know about the subtraction vertically. That is page number 197. First one. Subtract the following, one is done for you. Subtract the following. 8. 8 minus 6. B. 7 minus 5. C. 9 minus 3. D. 9 minus 2. E. 6 minus 4. F. 5 minus 3. Okay. These are the subtraction vertically. Vertically means number will be up and down. One will be the up and one will be down. This is known as vertical. So what we have to do is we should draw. Big number is 8. This is subtrahend. So those many lines we should draw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Then minus 6 means 6 lines we should cross. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many are remaining? 2 is the answer. So you also do it. Draw the lines in your textbook only and then cross it out. How many? 6 you should cross and remaining one you should write in the answer. 7 minus 5. So draw 7 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lines and cross out 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many is remaining? 2. 1, 2. So the answer is 2. Next, 9 minus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. 9 minus 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is the answer. Next, 9 minus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. You should cross only 2 lines. How many are remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Answer is 7. 6 minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many are remaining? 2. 1, 2. 5 minus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 3. So 1, 2. Answer is 2. This is subtraction vertically. Properties of 0. Page number 197. Properties of 0. Addition property of 0. When we add 0 to a number, we get the same number. Second property, subtraction property of 0. When we subtract 0 from a number, we get the same number. This is known as 0 property. I'll show you what is 0 property. Zero property. Okay. If we add 0 to one number, the number itself. Suppose if we add 0 to one number, 3 plus 0, answer will be again 3. Yes? See, I will show you. 0 plus 3. 0 means no line. 3 means 3 line. How many are there? Totally 3 lines. So, if we add 0 to any number, we will get that number again as an answer. This is 0 property of addition. Okay? Then 0 property of subtraction. If we subtract 0 from one number, and answer will be the number itself. Okay? If we subtract 3 minus 0, the answer will be again 3. I'll show you 3 minus 0. 1, 2, 3 lines. So 0 we should minus. So 0 means nothing. We should not cross any lines. So answer will be 3 again. This is the subtraction, 0 property of subtraction. Got it? Now just see your textbook, page number 197. Addition property of 0. When we add 0 to a number, we get the same number. There are 4 caps plus 0 cap is equal to again 4 cap. Similarly, 5 plus 0 is equal to 5. 3 plus 0 is equal to 3. 7 plus 0 is equal to 7. Subtraction property of 0. When we subtract 0 from a number, we get the same number as answer. 6 balls minus 0 balls is equal to 6 balls. This is 0 property of subtraction. Approach to 0 through the subtraction pattern. Arjun bought 4 balloons from the market. One balloon flew away. He is left with 3 balloons. One balloon flew away. He is left with 2 balloons. One more balloon flew away. Now he is left with 1 balloon. Finally, the last balloon also flew away and he is left with 0. 0 has no value. Okay, 0 is talking here. 0, I have no value. You can increase our value by joining us on right 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, if the 0 should get the value means it should be add with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. Okay, wow, I am the best. 0 is the best because it doesn't have any value, but in front of after these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, if we write the 0, the value will increase so that 0 feels proud. I'll show you. If I write this 0, no value. Suppose in front of 1, if I write 0, it will get the meaning. If I write in front of 910, it will get the highest value. So the 0 is feeling very proud. Mental maths. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 up to 9 numbers, 1-digit numbers. When you subtract numbers that come one after the other on this number strip, the answer is always 1. 9 minus 8, 8 minus 7, 6 minus 5, 4 minus 3, answer is always 1. It meaning is, in the number strip, one after the other, two numbers if we subtract each other, answer will be 1. 5 and 6, 6 minus 5, again answer will be 1. So they should be one after the other. We should not minus 2, 5 minus 2. So these are not one after the other. These are the continuous. These are the one after the other. These two are also one after the other. So always from the number strip, one after the other number if we take and subtract, answer will be always 1, because the numbers will be continuous. From one number to another number, there will be increase of only one value, so that we will get 1 as an answer. 9 minus 8, 1. 8 minus 7, 1. 6 minus 5, 1. 4 minus 3, 1. If you can't do, so put the lines. 4 lines minus 3, so 1. 2 minus 1, 2, 1, so answer is 1. 7 minus 6, answer is 1. This is now page number 199. Now I know, after learning this lesson, whatever things we have learnt, they have listed out. Read it. Addition using images or pictures. Recognize and use the symbol of addition and subtraction. Find the sum and difference of the digit numbers by using the horizontal and vertical methods. Adding and subtracting 0 and 1. Properties of 0. This is all about the lesson number 4, addition and subtraction of 1 to 9 numbers. Now let us practice. Add the following, find the sum. Right, you also write in your textbook. Let us practice. First question. Add the following. Add the following. Horizontal addition. 5 plus 3. 4 plus 4. Next, 7 plus 2. 4 plus 1. Next, 6 plus 3. 2 plus 2. Okay. Now see how to do addition. First method is, keep big number in your mind, small number in your hand. 5 plus 3, 5 plus 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. So answer is 8. Or else you can draw the lines, first 5 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plus again 3 lines, 1, 2, 3. Count all the lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you can draw the lines here only after this question. See, this is the question. Here there is some place. Here you can draw the lines. Next, 7 plus 2. Keep 7 in your mind, 2 in your hand. 7, 8, 9. So answer is 9. Put the line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 plus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is the answer. Okay. Next, 6 plus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 1, 2, 3. So altogether answer is 9. Next, 4 plus 4. Keep 4 in your mind, 4 in your hand. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So answer is 8. Or 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now 4 plus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer is 5. 4 in your mind, 1 is your hand. 4, 5. So answer is 5. 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 in your mind, 2 in your hand. 2, 3, 4. Answer is 4. Next, find the sum. Second one. Find the sum. 6 plus 1. 4. 4 plus 3. 5 plus 1. 8 plus 0. 1 plus 7. Okay. Find the sum in the sense added, whatever answer will come, that is sum. So find the sum in the sense we should do addition. 6 plus 1. So 6 keep in your mind, 1 is your hand. 6, 7. So answer is 7. Or put the line, 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 1. Plus 1. So all together 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is the answer. Here also 4 lines plus 3 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 keep it in your mind, 3 in your hand. Okay. 4. Then 4, 5, 6, 7. Answer is 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3. 4, 5, 6, 7. Here answer should be 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next 5 plus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or 5 keep it in your mind, 1 in your hand. 5 plus 1, 6. Answer is 6. 8 plus 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 lines. Plus 0 means nothing. So 8 as it is, 8 lines. See how many lines are there? 8. Or 8 plus 0. 8 plus 0, answer is 8 only. Next 1 plus 7. 1 line plus 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Count all the lines. 7 plus 1, 8. Or keep big number in your mind, that is 7 plus 1. 8 is the answer. So write these all things in your textbook. Okay. Find the difference. Third one. Find the difference. Difference means we should do subtraction. Okay. Now see 4 minus 3. 9 minus 1. 9 minus 6. 6 minus 2. Then 2 minus 2. So by lining method, first big number 4 lines you put, minus 3 lines. How many are remaining? Only 1. 9 minus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So only 1 line you should cross. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 are remaining. Next 9 minus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Minus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many are left? 3. Okay. Now see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many left? 3. Now 6 minus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4 is remaining. Next 2 minus 2. 1, 2. So all have gone. Answer is 0. So this is all about subtraction. Next, active these two in the tomorrow's class, and we will start 5th lesson. Okay, thank you.